I bought a brand new High Kappa Red Ranger, and in this video, I'm going to be putting it to the test. Shout out Airsoft Junkies for the build. Let's get into it.
I know you two are speed softeners. You landed on your chest.
Bro, I'm Milton.
Cat.
I'm hard Milton. Bro.
Yeah, fucking, and I'm black. Right.
It's called,
Yo, I didn't even get tape, bro.
Sit on corners for like.
Did I get tape?
Oh shit, no!
There's no place
He
to
doesn't
camp
have
in this
tape, you
building.
dumbass!
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Oh shit. Is he in? Oh, that was fun.
Not gonna call the trade?
Yeah, what?
Not gonna call the trade?
What do you mean, you hit me?
I did.
I hit you first. I hit your ass first.
Nice.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh shit, this is scary.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I didn't want to fucking deal with that shit. Yo, you got shot first, bro. You got shot first. You got shot first. I hit you in the vest. Right there, I hit you in the vest.
That's fine.
Bang, bang, bang. Yo. Bang, bang.
There's no banging over here though.
Try to be nice.
Here.
Wait.
You're basically dead already, bro.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun with this new build. Make sure to like and subscribe. We put a bunch of work into these videos, so it's very much appreciated. Shout out Benjo. If you know, you know.